this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.